So, how does a big idea get started these days? You might think it's in some dusty old library or a fancy lab. But what if I told you it could start with a single post on an obscure online forum? Today, we're going to do a little detective work. We're taking one single, kind of cryptic post and seeing what it tells us about how knowledge and discovery really happen now. Let's jump in. All right, here it is. This is the post that kicked off our whole investigation. The title is Logging the Conformal Life of Ramanujan's Pi. And let's be real, I have no idea what that means, and you probably don't either. But that's okay. We're not here to solve the math problem. We're here to figure out the story behind it. How did this idea get so much buzz? And that really is the million-dollar question, right? With all the noise on the internet, what makes a specific, super complex idea like this one actually stick? This single post is our key to understanding the new landscape for how experts share, debate, and even celebrate new discoveries online. Okay, time to put on our detective hats. First step in any investigation, you follow the clues. We're diving into the post's metadata, all the little details, to figure out who posted this, where they posted it, and why it matters. Clue number 1, the author, Aninda Sinha. A quick search tells us he's a professor at the Indian Institute of Science, so right away we know this isn't just some random person in their basement. This is a credentialed expert from a major research institution. That gives the post some serious weight right from the start. Next clue, where was it posted? The Wolfram Community. So what is that? You can think of it like a digital town square, but a really, really high-tech one. It's a place where the experts who use Wolfram's powerful computing software all hang out to collaborate, solve tough problems, and share brand new ideas. And this is where it gets really interesting. Look at all the different groups this post was tagged in. Yeah, you've got the obvious ones like mathematics and physics, but look closer. It's also tagged in graphics and visualization and numerical computation. This tells us the idea isn't just for one tiny group of specialists. It's actually a bridge connecting all these different complex fields. That's a huge clue for why it got noticed. So we know who posted it and where. But now for the really crucial part. How did people react? Because the response this post got was way more than just a couple of likes or a thumbs up emoji. This is where the story gets really good. And here it is, the smoking gun. There's only one reply on the entire post, and it's not from just anybody. It's from the Wolfram Editorial Board itself. They call the post exceptional and say it was chosen for their official columns. In this world, that is a massive deal. It's like getting a stamp of approval from the highest authority on the platform. Now, you might be looking at these numbers, 2,300 views, 4 likes, and thinking, that's it? But you've got to remember the context here. We're not talking about a viral video. These are 2,300 highly specialized experts. For this kind of niche, super technical content, that's a huge audience. It's all about the quality of the eyeballs, not the quantity. So this is how it works. There's a whole system here. An expert shares something new, then a board of other experts reviews it. If it's good enough, it gets the VIP treatment. It's featured as a staff pick, marked for publication materials, and the author even gets a featured contributor badge. This isn't just a popularity contest. It's a structured, almost peer-reviewed process for validating important new work. Okay, let's step back for a second. What's the big takeaway from all our sleuthing? This one little post gives us a perfect snapshot of a much bigger revolution in how science and ideas actually move forward today. Think about the old way of doing things, publishing in a traditional academic journal. That process can take months, sometimes years, and when it finally comes out, it's often locked behind an expensive paywall. But in these online communities, it's the total opposite. An idea is shared instantly. The interaction is collaborative and happens in real time, and it's all out in the open for anyone to see and build upon. These platforms have become, essentially, modern-day town squares for scientists and engineers. They are the new salons where the smartest people in their fields gather to share their latest work, get immediate feedback, and celebrate new ideas together, out in the open. It's a game changer for the speed of innovation. So we started with one post and followed its entire life cycle. And it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? In an age where we're all instantly connected, is the next great scientific breakthrough going to appear first in a dusty old journal? Or is it going to pop up in a community just like this one, ready to change the world with a single click?